Didn't know we was gonna get out.
Be quiet, I'm videoing.
Okay, this is my aunt's yard. This is my sister.
Look at the tree on Ralph's truck.
Don't do that crap. It's worse on the other one.
Yeah, I know.
Didn't have Ralph for the truck. Oh my gosh. This is the trees all throughout 25. Oh, wait, get now. I got on flip-flops, so because you're a dumb idiot. This is horrible. Look at that.
Somehow we need to get out there. Well, I don't know. There's an ambulance out here.
There's a beer bottle.
Look, they're bringing somebody out. Who is that? Is that her? Let's walk around. Is that tree on her house? Look, there's a big tree down.
That's Virginia. That's on Virginia's, ain't it?
No, that one's not.
We don't need to be in there, don't we?
I'm going around.
I hope she's okay.
There's Brady.
What?
There's Brady.
Yeah.
She okay?
Yeah, she was trying to pull this. She slipped and fell on the concrete and broke her arm.
Oh, okay. At least that's all.
Here you go. That's all the
We can't walk down through there. We'll have to walk through the yards.
You can walk through
Just watch. Just watch for,
We don't need to be
go that way. Just watch for power lines. We don't need to be near any power lines whatsoever.
I have rain boots. I'm wearing these high tops. Why are you wearing these? Because I can't wear them barely anymore anyway. They're too small. Oh. You know about that trailer?
Look at the back of her house.
That was Miss Jeannie's niece.
Let's go this way.
Like a party or something?
Is she okay?
They rushed her to the hospital. Oh my God, flip flop.
It's okay.
Look at this.
Mama. There's Mama.
We can go swim it and sew it back together and be done. It's so neat. Yeah, you can. Not with the rubber on it. I bet you can glue some more rubber on it, though.
Boy,
Here's some more.
it's bad.
Ow.
Sorry.
Here's some more trees.
It's-
get on my foot. And it looks more trees. And some more trees and some more trees and some more trees. There's her house.
There's the other one.
Where? Mom, get off my feet. I have 2 holes. You're wearing flip-flops out here. I was wearing my toe shoes. I wasn't thinking about it. My shoes are freezing. I mean, my toes are freezing. Mine too. It's soaking wet. Why did you get them? They're awesome.
Look, y'all. Look.
They look ugly, I know. You know that green table Mama had in the backyard?
Look over there.
You can see the table where it got ripped off. This is good. It ripped the glass table off the legs. And the glass is shattered. All back there in the backyard. Oh, I didn't know it was this bad. I wonder what kid sounds like. But I wonder. I'm not even worried about that. I wish it would have hit the school.
I want to see this trailer and stuff.
We got, don't we have a few trees by, this is disgusting. Don't we have a few trees by the school? I wonder how Katie's house is. Who? I wonder how Renee's is.
Look, y'all.
Renee wanted to charge.
Is that not that hot?
They're saying that
Is that
it's
not
kind of
a
bad.
No,
and
that's a
it's bad, it's
building.
good. What is
I
it?
know, that's what Mama's hearing. It's like it's bad, it's good, it's I don't know, it's who cares, blah blah.
You know what's good about the shoes? On the inside, there's
Here's
rubber in it,
some
and I
more.
can't feel a thing.